This afternoon, we're at 5390 Clubhouse Hills in Southeast Lakeland. Can't wait to show you this gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3-bath, over 2,600 square feet. It's a brand new Hulbert home. Let's go look at all the beautiful finishes on it and see what you think. Today's tour is going to be of this specific home only. You may have seen a multi-home tour here of these other two homes we've got available, but this one's going to be just locked in on 5390. So first of all, when you first come in the community, this is the first home on the right, and we are gated over off Clubhouse Road. You've got public supermarkets right this way, along with Bartow Highway, US Highway 98 South. We do have a market-ready home available right across the street. They are working on the paver driveway today, so it is moving great. And first of all, I want to show you, we're going to have sidewalks throughout. So they got the sidewalk running this way, pavers in the driveway, along with the rear lanai. It's got a nice landscaping package on this home. You'll see it's very upgraded with deluxe plants. It's really gorgeous how they put the rock along here too, just so the mulch doesn't kind of run crazy when we get rains, because we do here in Florida, for sure, hard rains in the summertime. Let's take a look in, but first let me show you a little bit of the side yard, and then we'll see the rear yard in a minute. But it's got a nice size side yard. PVC vinyl fencing in the back, but you can see the really nice landscape package. Now, one thing about this home that I love when you first walk up, not only is, again, great landscaping, but look at this, the size of this front lanai when you first walk up. It's really nice, and it's a small step up too. Great pavers, so nice and neutral. Let's walk in this home and get ready to kind of get your socks knocked off here. Take a look at this. Absolutely stunning, beautiful, open. Let that view just sink in. Tray ceilings, open kitchen, real wood floors, overlooking that lanai. Very, very nice. And looking back toward the front door. And now with Hulbert Homes, you can see here, we have got the crown molding in the main areas here of the home. Tray ceilings with additional crown molding. Let's take a look at this home. Love the color scheme in this kitchen. What do you think? I'm going to show you more about that, but it's like a brushed gold handles, and this backsplash, stainless steel appliances, all upgraded, nice light fixtures. I love the flying saucer lights. I don't know if they take off at night. You'll have to find that out if you're the homeowner. Anyways, we've got double ovens here. Stainless steel, and then again, the wood is carried throughout the home, so great for kids, pets, what have you. Take a look at this backsplash. It's done on a diagonal too, so it's really pretty, really nice. Got the cooktop range, the hood scoop coming up this way. Backing up, you got the really cool, kind of cool, you got the built-in microwave down low along with the dishwasher. Big farm sink. Of course, your fridge is straight ahead, and then there is a closet pantry. But before I show you the rest of the home, a couple things to keep in mind. Your master bedroom is right here. We're going to see that first. Back this way is 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. So we're going to go to that side. And then the really nice thing, let me slow down here, is in the back of the home, the back left, is your other bedroom and bath. So we call this a triple bedroom split plan, meaning there's rooms on really back left, front left, and then the master suites to the right. So it's nice and divided where you've got some privacy and you're not on top of each other. So give you another idea of the size of this and how nice and open it is. This particular home is available as of the making of this video. We're doing a grand opening here in the next month. So I'd love to get you in this home and to talk about it and see it before we do our grand opening. It will not last past that, You see a nice sized master bedroom. Put your bed right between the windows. This master bath is fire. Look at this. Look at this cool tile. Linen closet. Take a look at this. Double sinks. And this is all quartz countertops. Framed mirror. Isn't it beautiful? And then across from here is a tub. Got a soaking tub. How many of you like to jump in the tub? Any tub people watching this video? Drop a comment below. If you like the tub after a hard day's work, maybe you just like to do a little soaking at night, chilling. What do you think? Is that you? Are you a tub person? And say, just to kind of give you an idea of the nice design of this, or pattern, I should say, of this beautiful countertop. And then all the deluxe fixtures, so really, really well done. Walk in or shower with the door enclosure. A couple things, love the different blends of the tile here, and it goes all the way up to the ceiling, which is so much better than it stopping short and then having drywall the rest of the way. When you tile all the way up, better quality, better for longevity. So let me come back here for a second. Toilet room is right here with a pocket door to slide for privacy, along with a window for natural light. Now, if you're looking for a massive closet, this closet is phenomenal. First of all, notice the deluxe closet shelving. So this particular closet does not have wire shelving. This is like a wood shelving, so it's nice and durable. Put stuff up like here, like they did, and then drop some hangers below. Plenty of space here, coming back up here. And it's like the Energizer Bunny. It keeps on going and going and going. Look at that, all the way around. Plenty of space. You could even add something on the bottom if you wanted to. So massive closet with the window here. So really, turn your light off, you can still see easily in here. I'm all about saving power, you know? We crack the blinds like that, you can easily see. How's that for full demonstration? All right, let's keep moving. Let's head to the other side of the house. Southeast Lakeland. There is not a lot of brand new homes left in this area that are of great price and quality. So this is a little bit of a rarity here, you guys. So if you're watching this and you got an interest, message me below. Let's connect and take a look at this house. Closet pantry here for your food. Straight ahead, how about that mud bench? Isn't that beautiful? You can hang up, like they're doing here, hats, belts, backpacks, put shoes in there, what have you. The laundry room that's fit for a king. This is a massive laundry room. Washer, full-size washer, dryer, goes straight ahead. Got a rack above it to put some shampoo or what have you. Got to have the laundry sink. Big high windows, and again, crack those blinds and you don't even need the lights here. This is really nice for additional cabinetry for storage. And these are really tall cabinets here. I want you to see this. There's a lot of storage in here. And then these are all soft close. The kitchen, the laundry, everywhere. Let those babies fly. Same here, it's all soft close. And then here to the right, if you've looked at any of the other videos I've shot, this is your, kind of like your internet box. All your cables are here. And then, snap that in there. Okay, and then your security system is right above it. Yep, right above it there. Okay, so let's get our bearing straight. To the left, this is, I might as well take you this way. So the mud bench, as you saw, and then let's go take a look at this garage. Now, a couple things. Hulbert Homes has the epoxy flooring, which by the way smells good. I know that's kind of weird, but it does smell good. And it's good, the texture is nice and it's great for cleaning, and it just really looks, really pops good. Got the hot water heater right behind us. Pull down attic stairs here. And then this garage is, It's really an oversized side entry garage because this area right here is additional space. So it's an oversized, these are upgraded garage doors that's got like it's a privacy to them. We're throwing in a popcorn maker with a full price offer for the weekend. How about that? Okay, big garage, nice size garage. Breaker box straight ahead. Let's keep going. To the right, you've seen the laundry room. So now we're gonna go left to the other 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and then we'll see the back of the home. So this is really nice. This is the Jack and Jill right here. So bedroom and bedroom, connecting bathroom right between them. Again, we back up, you can see the size of the room, the wood floors. Nice ceiling fan area here, which all the bedrooms have to hang your TV. Ceiling fan remote. So this bathroom has double sinks. Those are really nice framed mirrors. Same kitchen cabinets, and this one has a tub shower combination, which is great for kids, small kids, if you're bathing your kids. And then jumps right into this other bedroom. They both have, there's pocket doors on both sides of that, so you can close that off if the other room is in the bathroom or what have you. Okay, so Jack and Jill set up there. I believe this is gonna be a little linen closet. It is. Vacuum closet, we call it here, because you don't need coats here too often here in sunny Central Florida. Maybe 2 days a year, I don't know. Big dining area with a massive chandelier, really cool. Double windows, so natural light coming back here. So this is ideal for teenage suite, in-law suite, office. Now it is a full bedroom because it does have the closet on the left, but it's nice and off the beaten path. And then the other full bathroom is back here. This is really your guest bath. So a couple things, it goes into the outside. Then this way, they kind of get out of the way. You can see the same cabinets, countertop, nice big mirror. And linen closet to the right, which is always nice. And then here is again, you shower door, and you got your shower area. Toilet and the window. So, and really nice ceramic tile again. This is kind of cool. Good design. And a couple things, you can see this is ideal for shampoo, soap, just a little touch like that, which makes really a big difference. Let's go see the outside. Shut our door here behind us. Multitasking. All right, we're gonna head back out to the left. You've seen the whole interior of this home, over 2,600 square feet, built in 2025, of course, just done about a month ago. So notice the pavers before we get out here and look at it. They put some furniture here, decorating it and getting ready for our grand opening. Nice size lanai. For here, you've got a area for a mini fridge, sink, hang you a big TV there. You can always screen this if you wanted to. It's kind of nice, it being open though. Get a little bit of a breeze today. Good deluxe landscaping. That's the side, you saw the other part of the side yard, and then it's fully landscaped all the way around. And that is to the back bathroom we just were in. So if you wanted to run around back that way, gives you more accessibility. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. This is lot 21 if you're referencing a map or wanting to know a little bit more about it. And we have other lots available to build in Clubhouse Hills. We'd love to talk to you about building your own custom home in this fantastic location. 21 exclusive Hulbert Home only home sites and lots and homes. It's gonna be a beautiful community. It's already shaping up really nicely. So thanks so much for jumping on the tour. Have a great day. So what was your favorite part of this home when we did this tour? Tell me what you like best. It may have been these flying saucer lights. I don't know. Maybe you like something else better. Maybe that's the hood. Tell me what your favorite feature is on this home. Would love to connect with you, answer all your questions about this home or any other homes in Central Florida. All my contact information is below. Would love to connect with you and help you with your real estate goals. My name is Brian Stevens, eXp Realty. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Have a great day.